The shoulder pads are adjustable to fit your carrying posture. The shoulder sling swivel buckle can be opened by unscrewing and pressing down. The shoulder strap length can be adjusted using the adjustment rings to suit your needs. Excess webbing can be tucked into the mall webbing loops in the shoulder pads or cut off. If you need to attach it to a backpack, you will need to use this quick release female buckle, which you can attach to the mall loops on the shoulder strap to suit your needs. Pull the webbing upwards to release the length, and pull it downwards to shorten the length. The upper connecting strap and buckle attach directly to any suitable position on the upper shoulder of the backpack, with the buckle facing down to insert into the female buckle on the shoulder strap. If attaching to a different backpack where the webbing on the shoulder pad cannot be secured, you can use an alternative connection method. Thread it through the backpack handle and then secure it with the buckle. The adjustable fastening ring can be installed on the shoulder pad of the backpack with the opening facing inwards. The lower connecting strap and buckle have a quick release buckle with an automatic locking function. The stock can be secured by attaching a redening ring to the mall webbing on the waist belt. Or if your backpack doesn't have a mall webbing system, you can thread the loop through any of the waist belt loops at the bottom of the backpack, connecting them to secure the stock. After proper installation, the lower connecting strap is located at the lower waist of the backpack, with the retaining buckle installed in the upper middle position of the shoulder straps. The upper connecting strap is installed at the top of the backpack. Finally, secure the sling to the backpack for carrying. Simply wrap the upper connecting strap around the gun and insert it into the female buckle on the sling. Then secure the sling with the retaining loop and wrap the lower quick release buckle around the bottom of the stock, close to the buttock, to help support the weight of the gun and reduce shoulder strain. Finally, tighten the webbing using the quick release buckle to secure the gun. If you have any questions after receiving the rifle sling, please feel free to contact our after-sales service email